I'm going to show you how to add the This PC, formerly My Computer icon to your desktop on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. The process is identical for both. First, ensure your desktop icons are visible. Right-click on your desktop, hover over View, and make sure Show Desktop Icons is checked. Now, follow these steps. Click the Start button or press the Windows key, then type in Themes and Related Settings. Scroll down to find Related Settings and click on Desktop Icon Settings. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, check the box for Computer. Hit Apply and OK. Actually, you can do this the easier way. First, open File Explorer. Now, find this PC on the sidebar. And then, drag and drop it onto your desktop. And that's it. You have now the This PC icon on your desktop.